Good day everyone, I am Bailan May Lampukan from 1BED. My proposal title is Language Learning Attitude and Writing Proficiency of USM Students. Significance of the study. Language is a primary means of human communication. It is a powerful social force that does more than convey intended preferential information. It also indicates both personal and social characteristics of speaker. In language learning process, affective variables such as attitude, orientation, motivation, and anxiety are important as abilities, intelligence, age, and personality. Language learning has psychological, social aspect, and attitude to second language learning which affect the ability of the learners to master a language. Karahan in 2007. Avers that a positive language attitude lets learners have positive orientation towards learning a second language. Attitude may play a very crucial role in language learning as they appear to influence students' success or failure in learning a language. Objectives of the study. Generally, this study aims to determine the students' language learning attitude and the level of their writing proficiency. Specifically, it aims to 1. Determine the language learning attitude of the respondents. 2. Determine the level of writing proficiency of the respondents. And number 3. Determine the relationship between the language learning attitude and writing proficiency of the respondents. Hypothesis of the study. There is no significant relationship between the language learning attitude and writing of the respondents. The scope and limitation of the study. The respondents of this study will limited to second year 2BED in the University of Southern Mindanao, Cabacan, Cotabato. Theoretical framework. Learning a language is influenced by a variety of factors, two of the most important of which are the learner's attitude and perception toward the target language. These are the concepts which has been the focal points of sociolinguistics as far as learners' behavior is concerned. However, when then 1985 cited in Al-Tamimi and Shuib in 2007 presented a more exclusive definition of term attitude according to him. Attitude encompasses three components: cognitive, affective, and behavioral. The cognitive component is related to the beliefs of ideas or opinions about the objectives and attitude. The affective factors about is with or against, and finally the behavioral components made up of one consisting action, behavioral intentions toward the objective regarding Wenden's theory of attitude. Van Els et al. 1984 cited in Al-Tamimi and Shuib 2009 claimed that it does not really matter whether all or only one of three components are measured. The information of an attitude can be obtained by measuring only one component. Research design. This study used a descriptive coloration research design. A survey is a method used to find out the student's language learning attitude and writing proficiency. Location of the study. This study will be conducted at College of Education of the University of Southern Mindanao, Cabacan, Cotabato. Respondents of research. The respondents of this study were the selected second year 2BED students. Sampling and procedure. This study employed complete enumeration of its sampling design. Data gathering procedure. The researcher will ask consent from professor who handle the 2BED students to conduct the study. Upon the approval, she personally distributed the survey questionnaire to the respondents and retrieved them right after the respondents were through answering them. Research instrument. To measure the language learning attitude of students, the researcher will use a questionnaire adapted from Gardner 2006. It was composed of 27 questions, with responses based on 5-point Likert scale. The respondents checked the box provided indicating SA, strongly agree, A, agree, and for neither agree, or D for disagree, and SD for strongly agree, to reflect the student's attitude in learning a language. Whereas in writing measurements, student essay served a corpora of the study. In rating students' essay, writing proficiency exam grading rubrics are adapted from Annie Ruggles-Gary, Leila Kristen Burry, and Kelly Sassin for 2007. From writing on demand, Portsmouth was used. Data analysis. The researcher will use descriptive statistics to describe the data of the study. Pearson coloration analysis was used to test the significant relationship between language learning attitude and writing proficiency of the respondents.